Thank you, my lord. Mr. Ndlovu, I have very few questions for you, just for me to understand the relevance of your evidence.
I mean ngike imibuzo enginayo kuwena-ke ukuthi nje mina-ke ngizwe noma ngikulandeleke ukuthi-ke ubufakazi bakho-ke buyini noma buthini.
I understand you have confirmed that you are not the one who prepared the photos contained in Exhibit DD4B.
Ngiyakuzwa-ke ukuthi-ke ushilo ukuthi akusuwena-ke owahlanganisa iy'thombe lezi ezikuyena Exhibit for DD4B. That's correct.
Okay. But you were led by the state through the content of this exhibit. Am I correct?
Kodwa-ke umbuso-ke ukholileke ngamagama-ke ukhulumile nawo-ke ukhombisa kuwona-ke u-Exhibit DD4B lona. That is correct.
And we have confirmed the content of this exhibit in line with the information that you had in your USB, which you led this court through the screen that is before this court.
Wase uqinisekisa-ke lokhu okulana ngokuhambisana-ke ne-USB lena wena-ke i-USB yakho le uyikhombisa-ke inkantolo la. That is what I did.
Because you have led evidence regarding that, therefore I am going to ask you the questions regarding your testimony about this exhibit and what we have testified on the USB.
Ngoba-ke wethule ubufakazi-ke mayelana nalokho ngizokubuza-ke imibuzo mayelana nalokho kanye futhi-ke nobufakazi bakho mayelana nayo i-USB. Fine.
Okay, thank you. My first question is, are you a facial identification expert?
Ungabe uyena yini ungoti-ke ekuchazeni ubuso noma-ke uchaza-ke ukuthi lokho ukuthi i-identification yobuso, i-facial identification expert? No.
And also we are not experienced in that department.
Futhi-ke isipiliyoni awunaso lapho. That's correct.
Okay. Then my second question is, you gave the dates on which the pictures contained in Exhibit DD4B were taken. You remember?
Uyakhumbula yini ngoba unikeze ngama-dates-ke ukuthi iy'thombe lezi ezikuyena u-DD4B zathwetshulwa nini?
Yebo.
Yes.
You'll correct me if I am generalizing wrong, but from these few pictures, you testified that they were taken in 2020. Am I correct?
Uzosho-ke uma kuwukuthi-ke lokho engikushoyo ngikusho-ke wrong noma-ke kuyiphutha-ke kodwa uma wethula ubufakazi ushilo ukuthi iy'thombe lezi-ke ezango-2020.
Njalo.
That's correct.
And none of the pictures that you referred this court to contained in these exhibits were taken on the 26th of October 2014.
Asikho nesodwa-ke isithombe kule ithombe-ke othule ubufakazi ngazo kulona-ke izibiti leli ezathwetshulwa ngeyi-26 October 2014. That's true.
And you further testified on the deleted pictures.
Ubethulile-ke ubufakazi nangey'thombe ezadilithwa. That's correct.
And in your testimony you said when you are using your X-ray thing, when you are retrieving the information, you are able to deter even the pictures that were deleted. Is that correct?
Ushilo-ke nokuthi uma ngabe ususebenzisa yona-ke noma sothi i-XRY noma-ke i-X-ray ukuthi uma ususebenzisa yona-ke uyakwazi-ke nokuthi-ke uthole-ke iy'thombe lezi ebese yicishiwe. That's correct.
No. So factually, scientifically, that can't be true. Something which is deleted, and I'm using it as an adjectival noun as used by the advocate. She says you are able to retrieve the pictures that were deleted. You understand the statement?
Uthi ke u-advocate uma ekhuluma ke ukuthi ke uyakwazi ukuthi uyibuyisele uyithole futhi ke iy'thombe ey'deletiwe.
Ngiyasizwa istatement sakhe njengoba izolo ngichazile masikhuluma ngeyithombe njengalesithombe lesi engithi ngasideletiwe la. It's just a thumbprint ukuthi isithombe it was there.
That's
It's already
it.
deleted. There's no information on that photo.
That's it.
Yiloko engikushilo ke nayizolo ke ukuthi ke iyatshengisa nje ukuthi isithombe sasikhona ke lapho.
Yeah, but textually, it shows a copy at the least of what was deleted, not the original. Yeah, me, I want to be precise in my thinking.
Ngifuna ke ukuthi ngisho lokho ke okushiwo ukuthi ke kuyicopy ke akusona ke isithombe lesi ebekuyisona ke kodwa icopy yaloko ebekade.
Because if this case goes somewhere else,
Mr.
somebody else will
Ndlovu,
say.
I am not fighting with you. Please don't be emotional. I'm not fighting with you. I'm just clarifying the evidence, what we have said. That's why I said, correct me if I am wrong.
Ngilisane ke nawe ngizocela ke ingakho ke ngishilo kwena ukuthi uma kuwukuthi ke ngenza iphutha ke ube uyise uyalungisa ke manje angilisani noma angixabani nawe ukuthi nje ngifuna nje ukuthi ke kube ngicacele.
Nami ngiphendula umbuzo wa.
I am also responding to a question that I'm being asked.
Okay. So let's reduce emotions. I understood you to say even the deleted pictures through your machine, you are able to retrieve. You have now clarified the manner in which you are able to retrieve, that you can only be able to retrieve a copy of that picture.
Bekuyindlela ke mina bengikuzwe ngayo ke ukuthi ke uma ke isithombe sesicishiwe ke noma sideletiwe ke nakho ke ukuthi usibuyisele kodwa manje usuyachaza ke ukuthi uma ngabe usibuyisela ke noma usithola futhi kuyisube kuyicopy lokho. I heard you.
Okay. So in other words, what you shown before this court, it was not the real picture, it was a copy because the original had been deleted.
Okusho ukuthi ke lokhu okutshengiswe khona lapha noma ekuvezwe khona lapha ke bengasona ke isithombe original noma ke uqobo lwaso ke kodwa ke icopy.
Ngizophinda ngichaze.
I'll say it again.
Lento uma ngabe isithombe esideletiwe is just a print ekhomba ukuthi isithombe besila and then sideletiwe. Yingakho singana the information engenzansi ukuthi asithethweni and the stuff.
What you see there, it is just a copy, which is an indicator that the photo was there. Hence, we do not have the information underneath that guides us and tell us as to when was it taken, and stuff.
Okay. Thank you. So it means even your XY ray formats that you use to retrieve the deleted information could not retrieve, you could not get the information as to when was the original picture taken.
No, I'm sorry, just something I just got a note, my lord, so I just missed the question. There's an interpreter that is not, okay, attend to that. Just 5 minutes, my lord.
Okay, fine.
My apologies.
No problem.
Female interpreter, she's not yet present.
Because she said she's going to be late or not.
Yes,
Okay, fine. So are you going to take over now?
for now, my lord, yes.
Any objection for the interpreter to be substituted during the trial?
No objection, my lord.
Okay.
No objection.
All right. Yeah, okay, fine. Let's continue then. You are Julie Swan. I know that.
Yes,
As
my lord.
an interpreter.
Yes, I do
Fine,
confirm
okay.
that, my lord.
Yes.
Thank you. Mr. Ndlovu, I'm going to repeat the question again so that you can answer. I didn't catch up the answer because the interpreter was disturbed. Okay?
Bathe bazophinda babuzeke umbuzo futhi ke mnumzana uNdlovu ngoba kade ukuliko khona la ngekho.
My question was that the deleted pictures, even when you are using the X-ray format that you were using to retrieve those pictures or copies, you also could not deter the date on which those deleted pictures were taken.
Bathi mayelana nodaba lwey'thombe lezi abayicishile sebeyidilithile ngegama lesingisi-ke uma ngabe uyibheka bokungekho ukhona ukubona ilanga le abayithwebula ngazo.
Yeah, kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
And you also could not deter the date in which those pictures were deleted.
And futhi bongaboni ilanga la bacishe ngazo izithombe lezo noma ilanga lela badilithe ngazo iy'thombe.
Yeah, kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And then the next question that I'm going to ask is about the observations that you gave regarding the content of the face that is depicted in these pictures.
Wathi umbuzo olandelayo abazokubuza wona umayelana nodaba lwesikhangiso sobuso-ke lobu kade bukhuluma ngako noma kade ukhuluma ngakho-ke uqhamuka kule y'thombe lezi.
Okay.
I'm listening.
I know firstly that you are not an expert, but as an adult person, I'm going to ask you this question.
Athi-ke unalo ulwazi lokuthi wena-ke awuyona-ke ingcaphephe noma uchwepheshe-ke lapho-ke kepha-ke uzokubuza lo mbuzo olandelayo njengomuntu omdala-ke.
The pictures depicted in this exhibit DD4 depicting a picture of a person with an oval bird that we have described before this court.
Bathi-ke iy'thombe ezikhona-ke lana-ke kulombukiso ka-exhibit DD4 kunesikhangiso somlisi othizeni futhi lo mlisi othizeni okhona otshakala kule y'thombe lezi-ke intshebe yakhe kusho ukuthi ukhathe njengo-O shape.
Yes.
Yes, I'm listening.
So even that explanation that you gave to court of the description of the oval bird and the description of the hood and the hair that were appearing in some of the pictures. You understand?
Wathi ubuza kumuze bana nodaba lwehudi futhi nangendlela umuntu akhona egunde ngayo ke intshebe yakhe sibathi O shape ke loyo ke futhi nangendlela lakade egqoke ngayo isigqoko kule hood yakhe yakuzwisisa lokho. Yes, I'm listening.
You cannot be able to tell this court that this is the picture that resembles the person during the period of October 2014.
Bathi angeke utshele inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi-ke lesithombe salomuntu okhona ngalana-ke isithombe sifana machine nomuntu kade akhona-ke ngelanga lange-26 zaka-October ngomnyaka 2014.
Iqiniso eliphelele.
That is the honest truth.
Okay, thank you. And also the fact that I'm going to accept the date that we have testified about here in this court to say these pictures were taken in 2020.
Athi uzolamukela-ke ilanga leli bokhulume ngalo-ke ngesikhathi ukuthi iy'thombe lezi-ke bayithwebula ngomnyaka ka-2020.
So, also as a human being, you cannot then say, because these pictures, because this person looks like this during the period of 2020 when these pictures were taken, it means resembles the same features of the pictures of the same person during the period of October 2014.
Now the witness is invited to argue. It's an unfair question to the witness. Let's go, please.
My Lord, I did not hear the basis for the objection.
Just repeat your objections.
Counsel is inviting the witness to argue the case for the state. It
Yeah,
will be for the
okay.
state to argue,
All right.
not for this witness to comment.
Yes, the court pleases, my Lord. My Lord, if I may respond, it's because the witness was taken through the pictures, if I may be specific, my Lord, and not be general. Through exhibit DD4A, with the comparison of a picture, my Lord, which was of an identification kit, which was taken in 2014, and the witness was led regarding these two pictures, my Lord.
What does it say about The one picture which was in the identification parade, this witness, what does it say about it?
My lord, the witness was asked to give description of these pictures to say
Not the clothing or the apparel.
yes, to give the identification of these two, and the witness even
Is it
said
the clothing or the facial?
he
Because
gave
you're arguing that he's not a facial expert.
he gave both, my lord.
Facial.
Yes, my lord.
And then the apparel also, he's not an expert on identifying apparel.
Apparently.
Yeah, put it to him.
No.
When you say wearing a toga or a robe which is gray and red,
Yes.
it's putting it to you that you're not able to identify that.
No, my lord, but that's not my question for now. For now. my
I thought you said even the apparel, you can't be able to identify it.
No, no,
I
my
see.
lord. No,
Okay,
my-
fine.
My lord, I was responding to the objection, my lord, to say the reason why I am entering into this field of evidence is because the witness had been asked to comment on these pictures, my lord.
Yeah, fine, go ahead.
Thank you, my lord.
kade kuza kumeli malana nodaba ke lesithombe ke ngamashila lapho sikhona ke lapho kumbukiso ka DD4A lapho kade khona ke isithombe sathubulwa ke lapho ke esikhona ngaphakathi kwale kit kade ke khona njalo umuntu lo kade ejakala ngendlela lena ke ngonyaka 2014 futhi bekabuza kofakazi mayelana nesithombe leso ngesikhathi kade khona phakathi kwesithombe sango 2014 futhi nesithombe sathubulwa ngomnyaka 2020 ke lapho ke la bathi khona ufakazi kade bebuza imibuzo manqamashima nodaba loloko lesithombe leso. Are you listening?
Thank you. And I even said, I am asking you this question not as an expert, not because you're an expert. I am asking for the general information as a police officer. You understand?
Athi-ke ukubuza lo mbuzo ngoba ke wena ke yazi ukuthi wona ke awuyena ke uchwepheshe kepha ukubuza ngoba ke wena ke uyiphoyisa futhi umsebenzi wezesiphoyisa.
If you have no answer or you have no response, you can just say so.
Athi uma ngabe ungenayo into ongayikhuluma noma mthanda impendulo mayelana nombuzo lo ke kumele usho nje njalo ukuthi cha anginayo ke impendulo mayelana nodaba lombuzo awubuzile. I am listening.
So my question is because you were asked by the state, you remember this exhibit?
Bathi kade kubuzeke umbuzo ithimba labashushisi noma umshushisi mayelana nalofakazi okhona ke lapho lombukiso kaDD. Ngabona sesithombe lesathe kutshengisa sona ummeli baba.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I do remember.
Then my question is, can you say, because this person,
Thank you, Madam President.
Yes?
thank you. My last question, my lord, on this exhibit.
Okay.
Can you now say, because this person resembled these pictures, then it means it's the same person as this picture, same picture on the same exhibit. It was reddish when you testified about it. You remember? And we know this one was taken in 2020. This one we don't know, but it was identified as the person who resembles these facial features during the period of October 2014.
Bathi kule thobile ezimbili ke khona ke udaba angathanda ukuthi akubuze ngalo ke ukhumule khona nje ukuthi wena ke ngesikhathi ukukhuluma njalo kula uthi ze khona ke umbala obomvu khethekile mhlawumbe ubomvu kade khona kule sithombe lesi. Wathi isithombe sokuqala lesi singalana esandleni sokunxele. Uma ngabe usibhekile kwasithubula ngomnyaka 2020. Kepha isithombe sesibili ke sona ke isithombe kade besho khona njalo ukuthi abazi ukuthi basithubula ngasiphi isikhathi noma sathathwa nini ke lapho ke. Kepha bathi lo muntu ujangana njengalomuntu kade angenile akho lapho lelikhaya yana. Manje umbuzo ukuthi ingabe uyakuvuma ukuthi lesithombe lesi esikhona ngalana ke lesi eselana la gqoke khona ke ingubo ebomvu umuntu wakhona ke futhi lesithombe singaleli. Lesithombe singaleli ngabe siyafana namashina lesi ngoba lo muntu okhona lesithombe ngabe uyafana yini?
Anginampendulo, angina comment.
Thank you.
No, I don't have a comment.
Thank you. Thank you for the
But the
honest
truth-
answer.
Yeah, sorry, are you
And-
going to re-examine?
I will re-examine my.
No, I'm not done yet, my lord.
You said it's the last question.
Oh, on this exhibit, my lord.
Oh, I
I said
see.
last question on this
Oh,
exhibit.
okay, fine.
Thank you. Thank you. Then I just need to clarify this for the record in case I understand it wrongly. You testified during the period of 2023, Mr. Ndlovu.
Bathi babundlovuko waletha ufakazi bakho-ke ngomnyaka ka-2023 ngabe iqiniso yini? Yes, that is true.
At the time when you testified in 2023, had you retrieved these pictures into the disk and into the USB that we have just presented to this court?
Bathi ngesikhathi lesi boletha ufakazi bakho-ke ngomnyaka ka-2023 umbuzo kuwukuthi ngabe le thombe lezi bosovele uyifakile ngaphakathi kwediski futhi ne-USB yakho?
Ngicabanga ukuthi ubuyela ku-question engichaze kwayizolo ukuthi i-disk ngase ngiyenzile kodwa i-USB iphuma ku-backup yami ekhona e-ofisini engiyilethela.
I think I did answer to that question yesterday. I already made out the disk. No, I already printed out the disk back then. However, the USB it is coming up from my backup system, which was in my office.
Ngaze ngachaza nokuthi if ungachecka i-disk i-date eyenziwa ngayo uchecke le USB esikhuluma ngayo ine-date yakuthanga. That's the different.
I also further explained that the date it is not the same in terms of the printout date on the disk and the printout date which was on the USB.
Okay. The disk, now if I understand it, is that your evidence was stored in a disk. Then the disk, when did you give it to the state? If you can remember, if you can't recall, it's okay.
Bathi ufakazi ukuthi wena bonke ufakazi kade ukuthubulile ngoba kade uphethe wabufaka ngaphakathi kwedisk. Angithi manje kumbuzo ukuthi ngabe ke ithimba labashushisi walipha ngaliphi ilanga leyo disk? Uma ukukhumbula usho kepha ngabe ungakhumbuli usho futhi.
Angeke ngikhumbule ngoba incwadi yami le abasayinela khona izinto nangabe bezozilanda ayikho la.
I cannot be able to recall the date simply because of the book in which they usually sign off things when they are coming to collect them. It is not with me.
Okay,
As in now.
but you still remember who signed for the disk?
Bathi ukuthi ubani kade asayindile mara ne disk leyo ke?
Unjani?
Yes.
And who was that?
Ubani kade asayindile?
Usayitshela Mukhane.
It was Sergeant Mokhane.
Was it sealed, that disk, when you gave it to Sergeant Mokhane?
Bathi lo disk ngesikhathi buyipha ko Sergeant Mokhane. Ngabe kade nisilile nivalile ivaliseke kahle.
Injalo ngoba nayizolo ngeke ngachaza ukuthi i-exhibit ke ngayisile.
It
And
is
then in
so.
the exhibit back number, so it was sealed.
It is so. Even yesterday, I did explain to that that when I was done with the bag, I did seal the bag, and it also has an exhibit number, exhibit bag number.
Okay. And then it is also your evidence that you do not know as to when were these pictures retrieved from your disk. Pictures containing exhibit DD, when were they retrieved from the disk to this photo album?
Ngabe kufakazi bakho ukuthi wena ke izolo thize awunaso isiqiniseko ukuthi ngabe izithombe lezi ezikhona la ngaphakathi kombukiso ka DD uthi bayikhipha nini ke ngaphakathi ku disk?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you don't know as to where the disk has been kept from the time when you handed to Sergeant Mokhale up till the time when these pictures were
Futhi ukuthi umbuzo ngabe
transferred to this exhibit.
futhi wona awazi ukuthi disk khona ke bayithatha bese bayibeka kuphi ke ngesikhathi lesi uqodo ipho Sergeant Mokhane kuze kufike kufinqe isikhathi lesi kade bekhipha ke ithombe lezi noma beprinta ke ithombe lezi.
Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kungachaza kalula ukuthi njengoba ngichazile mina uma ngiqeda ukwenza umsebenzi wami uma bese bayisayinele angisangeni indawo lapho angisazi ukuthi kwenzekani ukuya phambili ngibe ngicela ukuthi mangabe ungibuze ngalokho okuhlanganisa mina ngoba ukuthi iye kuphi mase isayinele kimi iphumile ngiqedile ngayo wami umsebenzi uqedile.
If I may be allowed to explain this in this content, can you please ask questions with regards to the time frame or time period in which the disc was with me. It's simply because of after I had signed off for the disc, I don't know as to where it ended nor where it has gone to. What I know about it was during the time frame, the disc, it was still in my possession. You know.
No, thank you, Warrant. I accept that you don't know because it was no longer with you.
Ngiyabonga futhi kwamkela ukuthi wena awunalo ulwazi ukuthi ngabe yini enzeka ngoba kade ngekho nawe ke i-disc yakho.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you.
Mr. Warrant Officer, I know that you are not a facial identification expert, but you have been a police in the service of the SAPS for how long?
Athi ke ummeli uyazi ukuthi wena ke awuyena ke umuntu osebenza noma mhlambe uchwepheshe osebenza ngokuqhathanisa phakathi kobusuku babantu ke lapho ke. Kepha ke umbuzo engathanda ukubuza ukuthi ngabe uneminyaka ungaki ungaphansi kwezesiphoyisa noma usebenza njengephoyisa?
Over 20.
It's over 20 years. But my lord, my apologies. Can I want the witness to speak out loud?
Don't want him requesting.
I'm requesting him, my lord. Makhuluma khomele phezulu zwakala ungakhuluma tsheli mina ngedwa. Kumele akuze ummeli nabafowethu bakuze ummeli.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah, cishe la ko 20 angikhumbuli kahle.
I think it's around 20 years. I can't remember exact.
Okay. The question I'm going to ask it because you have just been a police officer generally over the period of 20 years. In your experience as a police officer, do you know that the pictures are capable of being edified? I'm not sure whether I'm using the correct word, of being edited. Oh, thank you, my lord. Of being edited, the pictures. I'm not talking about your skills. I'm asking generally that are you aware that pictures, they are capable of being edited?
Athi ke kule minyaka yakho onayo ke noma kule sipilweni sakho naso ngaphansi kwezesiphoyisa. Ingabe unalo yini ulwazi lokuthi izithombe esikhathini esiningi bavama ukuthi babazijobelele usho ukuthi bavama ukuthi mhlambe lapho ke ba edit ke bomsebenzisi ilimi lesingisi?
Nginalo.
Yes, I do have a knowledge of that.
It does happen.
Kenzeka yini lokho?
Yebo kunjalo nami ngiyakhona ukukwenza.
Yes, it is so, and I am also able to do that.
To edit pictures.
Usho ukuthi ukujobela izithombe, edit izithombe ngesingisi. Yes.
Thank you, my lord. I've got no further questions.
Okay, yes, any